Yes, we are back as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. We have a special program with Smart FM and of course with English community, Smart Up Your Life English discussion. And of course, week by week we have always special topic to discuss, of course. And with me, yeah, RD Sam, Radia Sahril Sam, of course, will handle our program for this evening. And I'm not alone here. We have a special friends, of course, from abuse communities from South Sulawesi, especially from Makassar. They are from PBPNUP, yeah, and also EUC and BPEC. Yeah, guys, because I would like to invite you to introduce yourself. Yeah, of course. What is your meeting club? What about the schedule? And what about the agenda? So please, I start from you. Come on, time is yours. Please.
Okay, good evening Indonesia. Bahasa PNUP, our community is exclusive for UKM Bahasa for Polytechnic Negeri Ujung Pandang student, but our community have open for public activities.
Oh, wow.
That usually hold at 4 p.m. And if you like to join our activity, you can check our Instagram at UKM Bahasa PNUP. That's for me.
Okay, thank you, Gede. Yeah, okay. Okay, what about you? Please introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. What is your meeting club or study club? What about the agenda and what about the schedule, please?
Well, hello everyone. My name is Naila from English Youth Community, or commonly known as EUC. So in EUC, we not only learn English, but we also teach English. So in EUC, we have free meeting, which is open for everyone, even for not only our agents or members. And we also have intensive meeting that is exclusive for our members. And we also have a Kampung Binaan where we teach English to children that doesn't have the opportunity to learn English outside. That's it for me. Thank you.
Wow, not only study, but only teaching.
Yes, also teach.
Wow. So for more detailed information about your community, maybe you have a Instagram account, your community, please mention to smart listeners and viewers at home, please.
Okay, so for further information, you can check our Instagram, EnglishYouth_community.
Okay, please follow the Instagram and ask anything. Okay, thank you, Naila. Next, what about you, the one and only? Okay, please.
Okay, good night. Good evening,
Good evening,
everyone.
Yes, good
okay.
evening.
I'm Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian. I'm from BPEC Benteng Panjua English Club.
Okay.
BPEC has a meeting in Fort Rotterdam. Start from 10 a.m. until 2 a.m.
Okay. What about the agenda? I mean, like, how
Yeah.
looks like the agenda?
Okay, the agenda in BPC we learn about English.
Okay.
We discuss about the topic that
Mhm.
we will discuss on that day,
Okay.
and also we learn grammar, speaking, and also writing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, interesting.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Brian. Okay, giving applause for us. Okay, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to say to smart listeners and viewers at home, minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir dan batin. And as I just mentioned now to smart listeners and viewers at home, of course, this is relatable with our topic for this evening, but we have a complete version based on religions on Indonesia. You know, because we are very diversity. Of course, we celebrate our Hari Raya by diversity, like Hindu, yeah, like Buddhist, Muslim, Christian. Okay, because you know, Indonesia is a very diversity and a lot of Hari Raya to celebrate in Indonesia, especially, of course, and we are here as a representative of each religion to celebration of Hari Raya. And that's why our topic for this evening is celebration of Hari Raya. Giving applause for us. Wow. You know, as I my promise to smart listeners at home that we are representative of each religions. Like there is Hindu here, there is a Muslim, and of course we will still waiting our representative from our friends to coming here from Christian and Buddhist, of course. Okay, I start from Naila first. Okay. Minal Aidin wal Faizin. Okay, how do you see? What is your perspective about the reduction, about celebration of Hari Raya, not celebration of Idul Fitri, not but celebration of Hari Raya? What is your perspective about our topic for this evening?
Well, I actually it's very interesting topic because
Mhm.
we Indonesian we are very diverse and we have a lot of religions that celebrates a lot of Hari Raya.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm always since I was a kid I always glad that I live in Indonesia because we
Mhm.
have a lot of Hari Raya, we have a lot of holidays.
Yeah.
We also
Okay.
even though it's not our religion, we still have the holiday.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and, and and I also like it's very interesting to see like the celebration of Hari Raya from another religion.
Mhm.
As a Muslim, of course, I already know how we celebrate Idul Fitri and
Yeah,
Idul Adha
yeah.
here. But I always want to learn about like other religions' festivities. Yeah.
Oh wow! So you are very excited about Hari
Yeah.
Raya because you got many vacation.
Yeah, of course.
Because every Hari Raya is how to say holiday.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my
national
god!
holiday.
Yeah, it's many benefit to for us
Yeah.
to healing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Naila. Okay, I move to Gede. Happy Hari Raya Nyepi a few months ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Your perspective, because you know, this topic is not only for celebration of Idul Fitri, but the redaction, the sentences is how to say celebration
Yes.
of Hari Raya. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Well, about this topic, as same as Naira said, is
Mhm.
this is a very interesting topic, and
Yeah.
I'm excited too because from this celebration that in our country there are many holidays.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
And-
Because every how to say umat, yeah, to celebrate it automatically means that is a national holiday in our country, right?
yeah.
So maybe do you have how to say do you have something to say to Muslim people in smart viewers and listeners at home about Hari Raya, because this week still vibes of Hari Raya Idul Fitri. Do you have something to say to smart listeners and viewers at home, please?
Yeah, for the Muslim, I said Happy Idul Fitri.
Uh.
Atau is lewat how to say lewat.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
But from this topic, we can learn from why this celebration of Hari Raya must be here, and from this topic we can learn is the meaning from the that celebration of Hari Raya, and there are something we can learn too about from that Hari Raya. We can see like in Hindu in Nyepi we can see there are how is it parade?
Oh, parade.
Parade and
Wow.
like ogoh-ogoh
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
It's
and-
interesting.
yeah, in
Someday I will be there
Yeah.
to see.
yeah,
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, okay. Please put your just put here. Okay, next.
Okay.
Selamat Hari Raya Minal Aidin wal
Okay, minal aidin wal
faizin.
faizin.
Rian, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Not only Hari Raya only for Muslim, but Hari Raya from general
Yeah,
in our
general,
diverse in
yes.
Indonesia. How do you think
Okay.
about our topic this evening?
Okay. I think that this topic is very interesting to discuss because
Mhm.
we discuss about Hari Raya, celebration of Hari Raya.
Yeah.
It means that we talk about not only my religion but all of the religion of
Yeah.
in Indonesia.
Definitely.
Yeah, I think that the religion in Indonesia is many religion
yeah,
such as
There are 6.
yeah,
Yeah,
Islam.
in official,
yeah,
officially
yeah,
there are
officially
6.
there are 6.
Yeah, like Konghucu,
Konghucu,
Buddhist,
yeah, Buddhist,
Hindu,
Hindu,
Catholic,
Catholic,
Protestant,
Protestant,
Muslim. Yeah,
Yes.
something like that. So you are very excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited because as my experience in Hari Raya we have we celebrated with our family.
Oh yeah.
We are gathering. We have have a have a vacation.
Quality time
quality
also,
time, yeah, quality
right?
time,
And
yeah.
mudik.
Mudik, yeah.
Okay, Brian, give your statement.
Okay.
I would like to move to you in another session, in another question. Okay, I move to, of course, Naila again. Okay, could you explain Hari Raya in your religion version in Muslim? Even though I'm also Muslim, but I would like to invite you to give your perspective about your version on your mind to smart listeners at home who they are very diverse, yeah, right, in Indonesia, something like that. So Hari Raya in Muslim version like Idul Fitri, how it looks like? Come on.
Well, first of all, Muslim has a lot of holidays,
Mhm.
but the biggest one is of course Idul Fitri, which
Mhm.
is the is like a celebration of the ending of Ramadan.
Okay.
So we at the morning we pray together in mosque or in the field,
Okay.
and after prayer we will go to our family's house and we will gather with all of our family and friends.
Mhm.
We will eat a lot of delicious food.
Ooh.
Yeah, Idul Fitri is always
Ketoprak opor buras.
yeah, identical with the delicious food,
Oh my God.
rendang and curry and
Don't
stuff.
imagine.
Yeah. And of course, the one that children most excited about is pocket money or THR.
Yeah.
And
THR, yeah.
yeah, and
Okay.
of course we seek forgiveness from our elders and family members. So so all our faults will be erased.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's a lot of and then we also have Idul Adha, which is quite similar, but we will be have more like meat dishes because we also have kurban, right?
Oh yeah.
And we also have the birthday of our prophet Maulid.
Okay.
There's quite a lot of
That is include of Hari Raya, right?
yeah, I think
Okay.
that's include because it's also a holiday
Mhm,
in Indonesia at least. So I think it's included as Hari Raya.
Oh wow.
And in Maulid, in the birthday of our Prophet Muhammad, is
Mhm.
there's a lot of eggs, right?
Mhm.
We have a lot of eggs, and we will decorate the eggs and also, of course, eat it.
Oh wow, a
Yeah.
complete explanation.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, what about you? How looks like Hari Raya in Hindu? Yeah, special for Hindu. Maybe you can give explanation to smart listeners and viewers at home. How it looks like, please. Come on.
Okay, about Hari Raya in Hindu version is actually in Hindu is there are many Hari Raya.
Yeah, yeah.
that
Just
usually-
mention them. Come on.
Okay, there are like Hari Raya Galungan,
Okay.
Kuningan,
Uh-huh.
gitu, Siwaratri,
Okay.
and Nyepi gitu. Even from the period of month, we also celebrated it like Tilam and Purnama.
So what is the different Hindus in? Okay, please focus on your mic. Okay. What is the different actually Hari Raya in Bali and Hari Raya in global in Hindus version? What is the different actually?
The difference is from when the Hari Raya is held is the Hindu version is the Hari Raya is held based on from Hari Raya no
Hindus
sorry.
global and Hindus Bali.
Oh,
What
Hindus
is the
global and
difference of Hari Raya? Their Hari Raya. Hindus global and Hindus Bali. Yes.
From the different from Hari Raya Indus Bali health and
Global. What is
global
the
health.
same and what is the different?
The difference is, from I know is
Mhm.
the Hindus Bali and Hindu Global are different because there
Mhm.
are some culturation
Mm.
that from when Hindu Global came to
Mhm.
Indonesia is
Mhm.
there are some of the Hari Raya how I think not it alter but
Mm.
assimilated from our
Okay.
culture.
Just mention which one is same
Yeah.
to celebrate in all of the world, special for Hindus Hari Raya, and which one is only for in Bali to celebrate in Hindus like that. Just mention them. Which one? Which one
Mm,
is the same?
from
Which one
what
is the
I
different?
see similar is Galungan, but in Hindu
Ah.
Global
Uh-huh.
in India
Mhm.
they say they held Diwali gitu ya.
Oh, Diwali and Galungan same.
Yeah,
Only the word it's different,
yeah.
but the ritual is same.
I'm not saying the ritual is small, but what's the Hari Raya held the meaning of
Mhm.
that Hari Raya celebrated is, I mean, it's almost same because
Mhm.
the in Diwali they celebrate that Hari Raya
Mhm.
is the meaning for full of cheeriness and happiness. And in Hindu Bali,
Mhm.
we hail Galungan is the mean for victory from Dharma against the darkness. So in that
Oh.
during that celebration is full of happiness and we have
So which one is different?
the different
Because you already now you just mention and the similarities. What
Yeah.
about the differentiation?
the difference from you said from the date from
Mhm.
how it held because we had a different calendar that held
Ah,
during the
yeah.
celebration.
Mhm.
Maybe it is for my for my know,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. Thank you. So we get new insight, yeah, about the differences and the similarities about Bali's Hindus and global
Global,
Hindus,
yeah.
something like this. So in other side it's different, in other side similar, something
Yeah.
like that, right? And then there's a totally different.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you?
Okay.
In your religion version, how looks like actually Hari Raya in your religion version?
It's like our sister said before.
Mhm.
Our Hari Raya is full of holiday.
Full of it.
Yeah, full of stomach. Yes. Our Hari Raya, we celebrated the last like
Mhm.
Idul Fitri.
Okay.
The Idul Fitri is the end of our
Ramadan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like how to say sunnah disunahkan.
Just say sunnah.
Yeah.
You cannot translate to
yeah,
another language.
Okay. We say disunahkan
Mhm.
makan dulu. Eat first
Okay. Okay.
before we go to the mass.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And after
After that we pray.
Mhm.
We pray. After we pray, we hear the ceramah.
Yeah. After that.
After that we shake hand.
Shake
And
hand.
in-
And after that you make a TikTok.
In-
Alamak
No.
raya lagi,
In-
something like that.
In every person that we meet, we shake hand.
Mhm.
And after that we go home to how to say bermaaf-maafan.
Silaturahim.
Yeah, silaturahim
Ah.
with our
Door to door.
no with our parents,
Yeah.
our siblings.
Yeah. After that,
After that-
door to door.
Yeah. After that, we go to our
Neighbor.
our neighbor,
Mhm.
our how to say cousin,
Yeah, our friends.
friend.
Yeah, and balik kampung.
mudik.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement, Rian. Of course, we will back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM Makassar 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, give a applause for us. Once again, ya, selamat Hari Raya Minal Aidin wal Faizin. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin, ya, to smart listeners and viewers at home. But of course, tonight, yeah, this evening, we are not only saying congratulations, Selamat Hari Raya for Muslim, but all of religion in Indonesia, and even all of the world, something like that. And that's why our topic for this evening is celebration of Hari Raya. Okay, I would like to continue my question. Uh, there are two questions, right? But I would like to how to say previous question. Welcome to newcomer here. Yeah. Okay. Because how to say, you do not how to say know the first and the second question. I would like
Yeah,
to
of course.
previous, of course, my question, and our topic is celebration of Hari Raya. Yeah,
Okay,
in
celebration.
on religion versions, something like that.
Not
like
not
Bu-
Muslim, but
not only Muslim.
okay.
Depend on the speaker, like Hindus, right?
Oh, okay, I see.
Buddhist,
Mhm.
Buddhist, Catholic, Protestant, and Muslim.
Mhm.
But before I ask you about a topic, I would like to say to you, Minal Aidin wal Faizin.
Okay, minal
Yeah?
aidin wal faizin.
Mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Okay, please, for the first of
Mhm.
all, you how to say, introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners.
Okay.
Yeah, at home, what is your name? What is your meeting club? What about the agenda and how looks like the agenda in the schedule? Please come on.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you so much for giving the chance. So yeah, I'm Zulhair. You can call me Zul. So yeah, we have English meeting at Al Markas. The name is Max
Yeah.
Al Markas for Hoodie and Lightning Studies, and conduct every meeting and
Mhm.
3 times.
Mhm.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So if you have free time, just join. And by the way, it's free, and all of you could join.
To know more detailed information about Max, how the way?
you could follow the Instagram
Mhm.
at Max Almarkas _ and also on TikTok also
Mhm.
at Max Almarkas. So
Okay.
if you want to get a lot information about Max, about activities there,
Mhm.
just look at on Instagram.
And
Yeah.
smart listeners and viewers at home may ask anything, right?
Okay, yeah.
About
yeah.
the study club, the
Yeah,
meeting club
that's
about
right.
Max.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you. So welcome in our
Okay,
second
thank
home.
you so much.
Okay, my question is, the first question is, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Because our topic is not
Mhm.
only for Muslim but all of religions.
All of religions, yeah.
Yeah, in
Mhm.
Indonesia and all of the world, celebration of Hari Raya. Please,
Okay, I
come on.
see. Yeah, when we look at the title,
Mhm.
celebration of Hari Raya, of course, this the common things, because we always get a lot of things in celebration, not only in Muslim itself, but
Yeah.
also a lot of religions they do this celebration.
Mhm.
For example, they do Natal,
Mhm.
or they do like Idul Adha, Idul
Mhm.
Fitri, and there are a lot of things also like Nyepi
yeah,
too, yeah,
Waisak.
Waisak, and
Yeah.
a lot of things
Mhm.
they do in celebration, and I think that's really fun because we could hang out together with our family,
Mhm.
with friends, and I think we should, how to say, maintain this
Mhm.
celebration.
And every celebration
Mhm.
of Hari Raya, we
Yeah.
always got how to say, a lot of food.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's right, a lot of food actually.
yeah, yeah.
And I mean, I think every single celebration or Hari Raya
Mhm.
has like they could invite. Even you are not from Muslim, you are
Yeah.
not from a Christian,
Mhm.
Hindu, or Buddhist. I mean, you free to. I mean, you could join and come. in
Silaturahmi,
yeah, yeah,
like you
in
know,
celebration.
like cross celebration.
Mhm, yeah,
like
yeah,
it's like
that's right.
tolerance, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I have experienced also like my friends invite me to Cap Gome. Yeah, Cap Gome, and I joined there.
Tududung-dung-tak.
Yeah, and oh my god, I mean, I got new insight about Cap Gome. I tried the traditional food over there, and I look at the how to say the dance, barongsai, barongsai isn't it right?
Barongsai.
Yeah, barongsai. And
Could you give the sample of barongsai?
Oh no way.
kidding. Okay, come on.
Yeah, so that is why I really enjoy with the celebration, whatever the celebration are. So I hope this celebration don't disappear in this
Okay.
world. That's
because
my,
this is like essential of tolerance in our country,
yeah,
Indonesia,
that's right.
as the richest cultures in
Yeah,
the world and very diverse.
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Diversity. Okay. My next question. Okay.
Okay, there are two
How
questions.
looks like Hari Raya in your religion version? I mean, like Idul Fitri. Could you explain to smart listeners at home or based your own words how it looks like in your version, in your religion
Okay,
version?
okay. Oh, this is based
Hari
on my
Raya.
experience, yeah, because
Yes.
we already did actually previous days
Yeah.
ago. So, of course, the first things like in my hometown, my mother or my grandfather and my grandmother made like how to say buras, ketupat.
Don't imagine, guys.
Oh, don't mention, yeah. You were starving. Yeah, and also like there are a lot of traditional food too. Like cake, we provide cake and we could eat together. And of course, if you come in Hari Raya in my home or I mean in Muslim home, I mean of course they will provide you food,
Yeah.
at least cake, and also like unfortunately I couldn't mention the brand here, right?
Yeah. Do not, don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah, traditional food and also cake, and then you will enjoy the meal.
I
Mhm.
like
Mhm.
traditional food. That's
Yeah,
why I'm waiting for your
Oh
ole
my
ole.
god! Unfortunately,
But you are not bringing me. Come on, how come?
Yeah.
Sul.
Unfortunately, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry for that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. That's why I really enjoy if the celebration comes, the celebration day comes, because not only the food actually, because we could hang out together. For example, with we could like reunion like
Wait, I
our
would
friend.
I would like to
Huh?
make you fresh.
Okay.
What about you? Do you have ole from
Oh.
dari mudik? Okay, no, continue. Please.
Yeah, of course. What I mentioned just now, like we could make meet with our friends, like the old friends, like from elementary school, junior high school, senior high school,
Okay.
and also we could hang out together with our family.
Oh.
So that's the purpose.
Door
of,
to door.
door to door,
From house to house.
and we
And ultimately get
oh my
full.
god, really full at that time. So you should manage. You should manage. You
Yeah.
should make it plan.
Yeah.
The first
Make
here, the first here.
Like make it plan.
Yeah. And please,
Oh my god.
please don't eat a lot.
Yeah.
Because you
Yeah.
will go to the other home.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is why I really enjoy with celebration. That is the celebration looks like in my hometown.
Okay, thank you. So, okay.
Yeah.
My third question, you, Gede. How do you think about the family come from diverse backgrounds, diverse religion, and they celebrate Hari Raya one by one and cross celebration? How do you think? Do you have family like that, or maybe I mean like you know peoples who they come from how to say diverse background or religion, something like that? How do you think about that phenomena?
Well, about my family member will come from different religion. Yes,
Mhm.
I have one of them.
Okay.
Yeah,
What religion?
is Islam.
Oh, Muslim, Islam.
Muslim, yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So about that, for me, it's not problem for me.
Mhm,
Yeah, it's
mhm.
because from that, usually if she held the Hari Raya, I
Uh-huh.
usually ask what's the meaning from this Hari Raya?
Okay.
How it celebrate and what should we do? From
Mm.
that I can learn more. From what I say. From I can learn more now about that
Okay.
Hari Raya, why it must be held.
Oh.
From that too, usually if my family will came from different region need
Mhm.
help, we can help them too.
Mm.
Yeah, after from that we can
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
eat the
Cross
we can cross,
celebration.
yeah, cross celebration.
Oh, it's very
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah.
The same for me. After Nyepi, we had uh, celebration called Ngembak Geni. Yeah,
Okay.
it's like silaturahmi from our
Mm.
same family, or
Mhm.
from we can invite our friend too. So
Okay.
my family from different region, we invite too to come to
Wow.
have a
Okay.
food feast together.
I do hope someday I will be there on Bali, and I will visit your village, and give me facilitate. Okay, kidding. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, back to you. Okay, how do you think about the family who have they come from diverse culture like religion? There are one how to say more than one religion in one family.
one family,
yeah,
yeah.
like neighbors or maybe in house, something
Okay.
like that. How do you think about it?
Okay, I think that's really interesting
Mhm.
things. If if we face in that situation, we have,
Okay.
for example, his mother Christian, or his father Muslim, and there is my friend experience. I have friend. She is she is Muslim,
Okay.
and her sister
Mm-hmm.
is Christian.
Uh-huh. And
Because
her grandmother.
her father is Christian.
Okay.
Her mother is Muslim.
Okay.
So
It's
that is why.
balance.
yeah. So that is
Yeah.
why when there is like a celebration, of course, they really enjoy because there are a lot of celebration in their family, not only in Muslim, right? Because when all of family is Muslim, of course, just Muslim celebration, but
Yeah.
when there are a lot of various religions in family, of course there are a lot of celebration too, and they could enjoy the meal, the food itself. Like, they always meet with their family, of
Mhm.
course, because they have a lot of celebration. And my friend said at the time, yeah, my friend, my father said to me like this. Just choose the religions based on your what you how to say what you believe, what you trust, and then they choose Muslim, and his how to say her sister choose
Mhm.
Christian.
Okay.
They discuss what you are gonna choose. I'm Muslim. Or what about you? Oh yeah, just Christian, just
Okay.
Christian. They discuss together.
Democration.
Yeah.
Democration,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah, and I think she said to me like, "Oh, this really fun because we
Mhm.
could share together,
Okay.
share food, and also, we could have like new insight. I could learn by your religion, and I also could learn by my religion."
Okay,
Okay,
we're
so
still
there's-
waiting Richard as a
Yeah,
representative of Buddhism. I don't know where is he.
unfortunately.
Okay, keep your
Yeah,
statement.
Richard invite me to the Cap Gome actually.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
dalangnya ya. Okay, keep your statement. So, what about you? How do you think about this phenomenon? Who the family come from diverse background, culture, one more religion, something like that.
Okay. In my experience, but actually I don't have like family like different religion.
Not only
Oh,
you.
yeah, only
Mm.
Muslim.
Okay.
But in my experience, based on my experience,
Okay.
the people who are different religion,
Mm-hmm.
they celebrate it like cross celebration, yeah. Like the Muslim religion
Mhm.
have Idul Fitri celebration,
Yeah.
and we invite our friend from another religion.
Mm-hmm.
They could join the how to say?
After Hari Raya ya.
Yeah,
Not
after-
the ritual ya.
Yeah, no. They, I don't invite him to pray in mass. No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah, after we pray, we invite our friend to join, even they are in another religion.
Yeah.
We celebrate it together.
Okay.
We eat a lot of cake, a lot of food
Mhm.
in my house.
And Sirsak juice.
Ya, sih.
Yes.
Gue saya udah merek ya.
Yeah, I like it. It's oh my god, it's amazing. Sirsak juice, it's traditional.
Yeah.
Very healthy.
Yes.
From inside and outside.
Yes.
also. Okay, give your statement,
Yes.
Brian. How do you think about this phenomenon? Do you get the point right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please continue.
So, well, I personally doesn't have any family members who come from diverse religious background, but
Okay.
from what I seen in social media, there's people that celebrate both Christmas and also Idul Fitri, and
Mhm.
also there is people that have Chinese heritage, so they are Chinese
Mm.
heritage, but they are Christians or
Okay.
they are Muslims, so they still celebrate Chinese New Year, but
Okay.
they also celebrate their religious holidays. And from what I've seen, it's really fun because
Yeah,
they
the tradition.
yeah,
It's very
they-
colorful,
yeah,
right?
they could meet like a lot of their family members,
Uh-huh.
and they have a lot of activities to do during the holidays.
Sharing each other,
Yeah, and
loving each other.
and I think the cultural diversity in Indonesia is really beautiful because we can invite our friends to our religious activities, religious holidays.
Okay.
So, like Christian people can invite Muslim people to go to their Christmas celebration, like if they have like what is it, acara.
Ah, okay.
They have acara, and it's really beautiful that we can still be together even though we are really different. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Naila. Okay, my next question, but before we are you answer, please prepare yourself to give how to say or mention new vocabularies related with our topic, idioms, a vinyl statement, something like that, other vinyl words. Okay, conclusion for you. Please conclude our topic for this evening. Because we are very close.
Okay, the conclusion,
Yeah.
about this celebration, of course, that's okay. We have a lot of celebration in Indonesia, especially Indonesia, because we have a lot of religions, we have a lot of cultures.
Yeah.
So yeah, the first things that we should build, to make it like run this event is like appreciate and tolerance. Of course, of course we should tolerance with the other religion, with the other celebration. So it could be make it like a tremendously beautiful, of course, because of how to say appreciate, because of tolerance, right? So I think please maintain this celebration.
Which one is maintain? Maintain like this?
No,
No,
that's that's maintain in Asar. We are
Okay.
shut down.
Okay. So tolerance is beautiful.
Tolerance is beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, not only beautiful but
Uh-huh.
tremendously beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening, please?
Okay. The conclusion for this topic is yeah. Yeah, we have different culture, different religion.
Mm-hmm.
We have like different celebration also.
Yeah.
But one thing that we have to know that we have to be tolerance people, because without tolerance we cannot universe.
Okay, so tolerance comes from awareness.
Yeah,
right?
awareness.
Okay, thank you, Brian. What about you? What is your conclusion for our topic for this evening?
Well, it's certainly interesting to learn about other people Hari Raya from the perspective of other religion.
Alamak,
Well,
raya lagi sebenarnya.
Waduh. So
Okay, come on.
I'm really glad that I have this opportunity to learn about our Hari Raya in Indonesia, and
Yeah.
It's also so beautiful, as Kak Zulhair said, that is the culture in Indonesia is so beautiful that we can all celebrate our holidays together, and also we can share our culture and religious activities together.
Okay,
Yeah.
a lot of hari raya, a lot of holiday.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, my conclusion is from this celebration of Hari Raya from different
Religion.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. From this, we know that Indonesia has many religion.
Yeah.
That From that, even we had a different celebration of Hari Raya, but
Mhm.
from that we can learn about the culture and how that Hari Raya has been held and the meaning that, and also from that we can also had a food that after the celebration, and aside from that, from what I say is we must keep this celebration from Hari Raya from different religion that
Yeah.
because from that we can see a beautiful
Yeah.
and insight
Yeah.
from that, and from the last one is unity from diversity.
Oh, unity in diversity, ya. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Kita berbeda-beda ya, tapi tetap satu. Okay, giving applause for us. Okay, do you have some vocabularies, guys, to express to smart listeners and viewers at home? No? No, do you have? Who gonna raise hand? No? Okay. Okay, thank you, Gade, from coming here in our second home from PNUP, yeah. Thank you, Naila, from IAT. EUC, sorry. EUC, oh my god. Okay, thank you, Brian from BPEC. Thank you, Sul from Max. That's all our conversation and discussion in this episode. Of course, in this moment, don't go anywhere. Always stay tuned and listen our podcast, English podcast with Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. And do not forget, listen every Tuesday at 7 p.m. and we will be back next week. See you. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Bye bye.